easy strategy on Quotex can grow even a $10 account. Only 3 indicators are used and are very easy to set up and get entries from them. First indicator is the super trend indicator, which we change the settings to be as on screen. The period 14 and multiplier 2. The MACD indicator is used with its default settings and also the awesome oscillator. When you have the indicator set up on your charts, you choose a stable moving pair and wait for entry moment like the sell trades. When the super trend line is red and goes above the candles and the MACD indicator bars starts to show decrease momentum becoming red and going downward, then you enter sell trades with 3-minute expiry time. Now we wait for trades to close and we open more. The entry was good and trades closed with profit. This is basically the same entry conditions as on the previous entry, but different currency pair and different market conditions, so watch how the market goes. And it was another win here. Another good entry for sell trades. Another great win. This entry does not follow the strategy, but it's so great and I couldn't ignore it as the market formed a double bottom pattern. Let me draw up the pattern on the chart so you can also identify such good moments when you are trading. And we made some nice profit there. Here's another sell entry here, and we have already taken the trades with 3-minute expiry time. The trade did not go well at this entry. The currency pair is moving more stable, and I'm sure it's a great sell entry here. The trades expired with profit, and we will end here for today.